I was a student of Government College Ojo from the year 1976 to 1981. Alhamdulillah, to the glory of God, we are still here today. Today has been wonderful, and I must say that I feel happy or privileged to be part of the team that brought about this reunion. At the initial stage, they said the reunion was collapsing here in Lagos. The Lagos chapter was falling apart. Our execos were angry that they were not going to continue and were not attending meetings. That when they said meeting, 4 people will turn up, 10 people will turn up, and they will cook so much, they spend so money, getting everybody ready. So I spoke one of the executives and said, no, Gbemi, don't even talk to me about it. It's over. I'm no longer interested. I'm not going to partake in that. People spend a lot of money doing a lot of things. Registering the association, doing the constitution and everything, and spending money every time we have meetings and everything. You can't just give up. He told me, he said, look, listen, if you call me tomorrow that you have called around people and they will be sitting down somewhere for a meeting of the alumni, he promises me that he will be present. That they are all over the media, and all. I said, okay, let me see what I can do. So I went on the media, I went on WhatsApp. Initially I spoke to my set, which was 76 to 81 group. And only one person responded and said, she's saying the truth. We should all get up this thing. We should have a meeting somewhere. And I don't matter how long. They all use a continuous thing. There's only one ESCO. They had all this, like life president, blah, blah, blah. I left them and went to the general platform. And for days, I didn't get any response. People cannot just ignore me. This is important. We can't just fold up. So many schools are, old schools are, alumni are thriving. What's wrong with ours? Why are we on Facebook and WhatsApp but not sitting down anywhere? So somebody asked me, but there's a live person. I say, you people keep saying that. Have you ever attended? And they say, we are going to choose new schools today, and you give us a candidate or anything like that. No, there's a constitution. But if the meetings are not holding, how are we going to do new elections? How are we going to elect new people? I just kept on. Then somebody called me privately and said, Gbemi, don't stress yourself, Jare. And people, you just want to do their own sets. Everybody should keep their sets. No, it doesn't work that way. The sets will work, but we should have a general thing. So all of a sudden, the president now called me and said, Gbemi, I want to set up a committee. I can hear all the noise you've been making. I want to set up a committee, and I want you to be part of that committee. I said, okay, fine. I will be part of the committee. So he come and said, there are only 2 of you. I said, two-man committee care. He said, don't worry, you people choose the other committee. They make it 5 or 6. And here we are today. We kept telling them, please contribute money. We need money. We need that. Because we did not get any money from the ESCOs. There was no money. People were not paying their subscriptions and everything like that. So somehow, along the way, we got a lot of 10,000 here, 50,000 here, 500,000 here from 2 people. And thank God today, I can't believe this is really happening. I never thought it's going to be this big. And look at everybody so happy to see each other. From this alumni thing, I would tell you that I've benefited, because from the little that I do for myself, I've had cause to talk to 1 or 2 people about how they can support me in what I'm doing. And I'm not going to lie to you. Somebody or 2 of them, the 2 of them are my classmates. They've been marvelous. In fact, a particular person makes it his own job to call me and say, so how are you coping? What's going on? I don't know how you're going to help me. And they've always been forthcoming. So there's a lot that we can get from here. Our children being out of not being employed, we ourselves looking for work or contracts or this and that. And all that, a lot of benefits could come out of this. So we cannot just give up. I'm glad to be here today.